Hello. All right. We are going to continue to work with time today. We had some lessons that we were not able to get to in the classroom, so we're going to make sure we at least get an introduction to them on your at-home learning days. On page 105, 105 is your homework helper. On the first page, it shows you how to use a tape diagram to find out how many total minutes someone spends doing something or how long something takes. And on the back side, page 106, it shows you how to use the number line. It also shows you what it means to explain your reasoning. You asked me what this means a lot. Remember, that's just using our words to explain how we know something. So here, the question was, can he make it on time for the movie? Explain your reasoning. No, Luke can't make it on time for the movie. From the number line, I can see that he will be 5 minutes late. So that's how they explained their reasoning or their thinking. All right, we're going to take a look at lesson 5 homework together. On page 107, 107, you need to first write your name and then today's date. So go ahead and pause. All right, we're going to do problems 1 and 2 together. Problem 3 you can do on your own. And on the back side, we'll do number 4 together, A and B, and problem 5 will be a challenge problem. Let's go back to page 107 and start on problem 1. Abby spends 22 minutes working on her science project yesterday and 34 minutes working on it today. How many minutes did Abby spend working on her science project all together? Model the problem on the number line and write an equation to solve. Remember, an equation is a math sentence. So you can probably see I have hints for you already here. What are we going to do with those two numbers? The word all together tells us that we're going to add the two numbers together. You can add them horizontally or you can stack them, whichever way works best for you. We also need to show our work on the number line. So let's do that together. Go ahead and go back and label your 5s. So see, they're counting by 10s. You want to go back and label all your 5s in between. Again, pause this video as you need to get your work completed. First, we need to find out 22 minutes. How can I split this up to make that easier? I can say 20 minutes plus another 2, right? And then 34 minutes. I can say 30 minutes plus another 4. Let's first put our 20 minutes on. 5, 10, 15, 20. There we go. There's our 20 minutes. We can cross that off. Now, we don't want to go 2 yet because we have 30 more to add over here. I did that in another color. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Does 20 plus 30 equal 50? It sure does. We're done adding both of our 10s together. Now we need to add our 1s. 2 plus 4. So we need to go another 6 minutes. All right, can we go 5? Yeah, we can take one more 5 jump. And then we just need to go one more. 56. How many minutes? 56 minutes. Check that with your addition. Does that make sense? 2 plus 4 is 6. 2 plus 3 is 5. Abby spends 56 minutes working on her science project. Good. Pause if you need to catch up on any of that. Number 2. See if we can get a little closer here. Susanna spends a total of 47 minutes. So 47 minutes, Susanna, working on her project. How many more minutes than Susanna does Abby spend working? So here's Abby. Abby spent 56 minutes. Susanna only spent 47. How do we know how many more minutes Abby spent than Susanna? We need to draw a number line to model the problem and write an equation to solve. Abby spent more time than Susanna. We want to know how much more time. We have to subtract. Yes, our math equation would be a subtraction equation. So who spent more time? Abby. How much time did she spend? 56 minutes. And we're going to subtract how many minutes? 47, because that's how long Susanna spent. So Abby minus Susanna. 56 minus 47 equals what? And that'll tell us the difference. We want to find the difference. Now we need to use a number line. We're going to label 0 on this side, 60 on this side. What goes in the middle? 30. We're talking about minutes. 10, 20, 40, 50. And we'll probably need our 5s. Pause to create your number line. Okay, we have to start at the bigger number and work backwards. So first we're going to find 56 minutes on the number line. 50, 55, 56, right? This is a 1 jump. And then we need to find 47 on the number line. 40, 45, 46, 47. Whoop, there's 47. But we need to keep going so we can do our hops. 47, 48, 49, 50. All right. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. I'm going to make 50 a little bit bigger here so you can see it, and 55 a little bit bigger right here so you can see it. We know we can take a 1 jump here, a big 5 jump here, and then 1, 2, 3. How many more minutes? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 more minutes. 56 minus 47 equals 9. Great job. Number 3. Peter practices violin for a total of 55 minutes. He practices 25 minutes on Saturday. How many minutes does he practice on Sunday? So, what's your equation going to be? 25 minutes on Saturday. Our total has to be 55, so we don't know this number, equals 55. This is Sunday. This is what you have to find out. You can use the opposite of addition and use subtraction to find this out and say 55 minus 25. And that would give you your minutes for Sunday. Or you could use a number line. Go ahead and give it a try. See what you come up with. Pause your video if you need. Let's go and do the last one that we're going to do together. Keep getting more crooked instead of more straight, you guys. There we go. All right. Marcus gardens. He pulls weeds for 18 minutes, waters for 13, and plants for 16 minutes. How many total minutes does he spend gardening? Total. We have to find the total. So what are we going to do with all those numbers? Yep, we're going to add them together. Perfect. So he pulls weeds for 18 minutes, right? This is weeds. He waters for 13. And he plants for 16. How many minutes total does he spend gardening? You can use a number line to add this together, or you can stack them and say 18 plus 13. 18, 8 plus 3, 9, 10, 11. Yep, the 1 goes in the 1's place. The 10 has to go to the 10's place. 1, 2, 3. So we have those two added. Now 31 plus 16. 1 plus 6 is 7. 3 plus 1 is 4. 47 minutes. Pause the video if you need to catch up. Marcus wants to watch a movie that starts at 2:55. It takes 10 minutes to drive to the theater. If Marcus starts the yard work at 2 o'clock, can he make it on time for the movie? Explain your answer. Oh, we need to use this 47 minutes that we just found out. Okay, we're going to make a number line. Good, you can see my number line. And he's going to start at 2 p.m. So 2 p.m. is going to go over here. What hour comes after 2? 3 o'clock, which is right after when the movie starts. Good. And then we're going to label 0 and 60 because there are 60 minutes in an hour. What's our halfway point? 30. Awesome. By now you should be getting the hang of numbering your number line. And then we have to put in the 10 and the 20 and the 40 and the 50. And we'll put our 5s in. Did you get them all? Great job. All right. He's going to start at 2 p.m. So he's going to start right here at 2 p.m. S for start. All right, the yard work. The yard work is up here. It took him how long? 47 minutes. You got it. So we need to get to 47. 10, 20, 30, 40, 45. You got it. 46, 47. 47, right? And then it takes him how long to drive to the theater? 10 minutes. What's 10 more than 47? We have to figure that out. That's our job, right? 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. So there's all of our ones in. Let's add 10 minutes. Let's do single hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2:55 was when the movie started. Did he go past the time of 2:55? He did. 56, 57. Because 47 plus 10 equals 57. We have to explain our reasoning. Can he make it on time? If he starts yard work at 2 o'clock, it takes him 47 minutes and then another 10 to drive to the movie theater, and the movie starts at 2:55. Did he make it? No. How late would he be? He would be how many minutes late? 2:57, right? He needs to be there at 2:55, 2:56, 2:57. He would be 2 minutes late. No, he would be 2 minutes late. He cannot make it on time. All right, problem 5 is a challenge problem. Go ahead and give it your best shot. Our Ellie takes a short nap after school. As she falls asleep, the clock reads 3:03 p.m. She wakes up at the time shown below. How long is Arielle's nap? All right. As she falls asleep, she saw 3:03. 1, 2, 3. This is where she fell asleep. This is when she woke up. What time is it? How long was her nap? That's for you to find out. Great job.